Hello from my English world. I have a new portion of useful information just for you. What's the difference between what and which? What and which are both interrogative pronouns that are used to ask questions and can be both translated as який або котрий. However, they are used in different ways and serve different purposes. What is used to ask about a general thing, action, or idea. It's used when the speaker doesn't have any specific information about the item which they are asking about. And the number of options is usually unlimited. For example, what's your favorite color? What time is it? What did you eat for breakfast? Like in all these cases, з what у нас необмежена кількість опцій. Якщо я запитую, який твій улюблений колір або котра година, то у варіанті відповіді може бути дуже багато, може навіть і безмежна кількість. Which is used to ask about a specific thing or a limited set of options. It's used when the speaker has some information or knowledge about the item they are asking about. For example, which shirt do you like better, the blue one or the green one? Which restaurant serves the best pizza in town? So, which car did you finally decide to buy? Тобто, з which у нас є певна кількість опцій. Блакитна сорочка або зелена сорочка. Котра з цих визначених сорочок тобі подобається більше? Так яке ж авто ти врешті придбав? Тут, скоріш за все, обидва співрозмовники розуміють, що були певні кілька варіантів, з яких обирали. In summary, what is used when we are asking for a general or indefinite thing, while which is used when asking for a specific or limited set of options. Traditionally, I will leave 4 sentences here for you and will ask you to complete them with what or which. Looking forward to seeing your answers in the comments below. And hope to see you soon.